These reports intends to show you the menu of historical data. Historical data in agriculture is very important because the historical data defines the trends in space and time of that particular parcel or parcel crop relationship. If I click on the historical data menu, and then if I click on a specific account, and then in the specific parcel, you can see that there is a card from a campaign that is not stopped yet, that goes from March till February. This is sugarcane, and so we click in this particular card, and we can see that there is a lot of reports, 30-day reports of this particular parcel crop. If you click on the second report, you can see that for that period, almost 1 month, you can see that these two indexes from the Sentinel-2, the optical satellite, the NDVI and NDWI, presents, let's say, 2 management zones. However, the black areas are so small compared to the whole parcel that I believe it's residual. If you look to this Sentinel-1, these two indexes in terms of the structure of the vegetation, we can see that the vegetation is more or less uniform at this stage and at this cycle of the crop. We also can see the evolution in terms of the all the campaign, what has happened in this particular parcel crop at this stage. So you can go for the third report. Sorry, you see that the black area has grown a little bit. Not too much, but has grown a little bit compared to the previous one. And suddenly we see that the indexes radar show that started some variation in terms of the vegetation structure, promoting 2 management zones and showing that there is some variation that is not going well in terms of the plant structure. If you go for the fourth report, for example, it's interesting that the indexes from the Sentinel-2 they became uniform. Let's say in terms of green, in terms of watering leaves, it seems that the crop it seems more or less uniform. However, in terms of plant structure, increased a little bit the differences because now we have 3 management zones and not 2 management zones as the previous months. So with this evolution, we can somehow see what are the trends in terms of the space and time of the crop and take some decisions regarding it, or at least do some smart sampling or smart visiting in terms of the understanding what are the factors or the phenomena that are conditioning the results of the plants. If you want to consult all the individual images or reports that were used to build this type of force report, you can see all the images that were from both satellites that were used to build that report that we have seen as a force report. If you want to go back, to click in the same place. So this is the importance of the historical data, and we believe that we have to look for.